Welcome back to another video with 99 reviews, and today I am going to talk about 5 iPhone tricks which I bet you don't know before. So, let's start the video. The first one is about collecting multiple photos to add to other apps. In this trick, you can simply hold one photo and then drag other photos from second finger to add in them. After that, simply go back to any other app where you want to place these photos and then drop there. This is a very useful trick to save your time. The second trick is apply styles on LOC screen photos. You can customize your lock screen with different styles in your iPhone. Here, you can change the font of time and date and also add widgets of different kinds which looks pleasant on the display. Moving towards third one, in Photos app, if you want to go at the top of the album, simply tap the top of your screen at any place, and to return back to the bottom, click on album icon and you will return to bottom. Now in Notes app, you can scan your documents as well. Simply, you have to tap on Scan Document, then scan the object or document you want. It would save to your notes easily. In iPhone, you can translate any language to English or any other language. In Camera app of iPhone, when you open Photo section and hold it on any written context, this option appears. Tap on it, then select the text you want to translate, and at the last click on Translate, it will translate all the text in the picture to the selected language. So these are some very useful tricks of iPhone. I hope you guys like it. For more videos like this video, subscribe to YouTube channel.